Nope, these aren't sunglasses. They're my regular glasses that tint from the outside. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to your channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. What's up everybody? Today we're going to be comparing the battery side covers for the 2020 Lowrider S from the factory ones to the ones I got from Advan Black about a year and a half ago to the carbon fiber ones which I just got. So let me swing this camera around and I'll show you. Guys, here is the factory ones. There are the ones I got from Advan Black. These are a nice plastic. And then here are the carbon fiber ones. Now, how much do they weigh? They're not heavy enough to even register on my spring scale, but let's try it on my other scale. Okay, I got my little scale here. It's measured in ounces. Let's see, we go ounces. Let's see. That's grams. Well, we'll start with the ounces. We'll go with ounces, all right? So we'll take the factory side cover. And as you can see, we are at 13.751 ounces for the factory left side cover. Now for the other Advan Black side cover that I had, the plastic one, let's measure this up. We're at 3.89 ounces. So, you know, this is all about weight savings for a Spaceball. So we'll take the carbon fiber one. Oh, let's total that one out. Oh, this is a little bit heavier. 4.2 ounces. So are the carbon fiber ones better? We'll find out. Let's go to the right side. The right side is 15.158 ounces for the factory. For the first cover that Advan Black came out, that's 5.9 ounces. So there's 10 ounces of savings right there. So let's take a look at the other one. We are at 4.8 ounces. So there is a total of a savings when you add them up from the factory to the plastic Advan, factory, the plastic Advan Black to the carbon fiber combined. All right, so what does this all mean? Well, I'm got the carbon fiber ST fairing from Advan Black, the carbon fiber fender from Advan Black, carbon fiber handguards from Advan Black. So I really want to tie it all in with the carbon fiber with the battery side covers. So the only tool you need to do this job is a 5/32 Allen. And let me go put them on. And well, actually, before we put them on, there is something we need to do. That's right, and I'll show you. Okay, so one of the first things you need to do, you got these two rubber grommets here. They have to come out, and basically, you could just pull them right out. It's hard doing this one-handed. Let me see if I can get this going so we can both see what's going on here. All right, so you take one. Of course, this one's going to give me a hard time. Of course it's going to give me a hard time. What you want to do is squeeze it and pull it through at the same time. Put it down, let's see. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So what I did is I squished it and I'm pulling it through just like that. That's one. Now let's do the other side. Let's see how easy this one's going to be. So we're going to push that through and then it pops right out the way it's supposed to work. Now to put these in, I cheat. I put a little lubricant on them, and let me do that and we'll slide these right in. What do I use for lubricant? I use just regular brake caliper grease because it's safe to be used around rubbers. So I just put it in and around the hole a little bit, and yeah, it all just came in when I said rubbers. And we're just going to pop that bad boy right in. Now work it in with your hands. It'll go, trust me. You guys trust me? It'll go. And if you have to, see like that one just popped in, you can always use a screwdriver to help it go in the hole. So I'm going to push this one through, being careful not to crack or flex the carbon fiber. There we go. That one's in. All right, let me clean up my hands and then we'll mount these. All right, guys, so we're here outside with the bike, working in the sunshine. Why not? So here's the 2 screws. I put them back in so I didn't lose them when we were working on the inside. So this rubber grommet goes right around this nipple. Nipple. God, who knew working on motorcycles would be so sexual? You got nipples, lube, hole. And if you're not comfortable with power tools, you don't have to use power tools. I use them because I'm comfortable using them. And that looks good there. We'll go on the other side. All right, so on the left side, there's only 1 screw compared to the right side that has 2. And this one is a lot smaller. So you want to tuck all your wires and everything up in here. This has 2 nipples to go into 2 rubbers, giggity. Giggity, 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 giggity. Like I said, this is going downhill fast. Ah, come on, get in there. It's giving me a hard time today. There we go. There we go. So now we take, there we go. Oh, line up the hole. Oh, don't cross thread it. And there you go. And that's it, guys. That's it for the battery covers. It's not really hard. Very simple thing to do. I'm going to put the cost of them right here on the screen. So if you want to order the set for yourself, you go to advanblack.com, go to the carbon fiber series for your bike, and they have a bunch of carbon fiber for your bike and for mine. All right, everybody, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often and always ride hard.